This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा भृगुवासरः आषाढ़ कृष्ण द्वादशी दिनांक 17 जुलाई 2020 सहस्रयोगम धान्वंतर तैलम शंखं चक्रं जलपान दशतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्म स्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकप्रतिलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितकविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्नीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धाम् आत्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको भिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं ततनोऽधिसः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं वीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत्नुति सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। शुद्ध बलातै बलामूलात् फलशतं कुट्टयित्वा जले पच्येत् चतुर्भागावशिष्टेऽस्मिन् तत्कल्पं दशभिः फलैः तैलाढकं विपक्तव्यं विगुणक्षीरसंयुतम् एतत् शुद्धबलातैलं वातरोगविनाशनम्। वै केवलं बलायः एव प्रयोगः अत्र कृतः अस्ति। बलामूलात् फलशतं कुट्टयित्वा जले पच्येत् चतुर्भागावशिष्टे तर्हि प्रातः चतुर्भागावशिष्टः कार्यः तत्कल्कं दशभिः फलैः तैलाढकं विभक्तव्यं द्विगुणक्षीरसंयुतम्। तर्हि क्वाथः द्विभागः एवं क्षीरं द्विभागम् एवं कृत्वा तैलात् द्रवः चतुर्भागः इति चतुःप्रमाणम्। एतत् शुद्धबलातैलं केवलं शुद्धबलातैलं वातरोगविनाशनम्। अस्यापि प्रचलनं दृश्यते शुद्धबलातैलम् इत्यनेन नाम्ना एतत् प्राप्यते। So if there is apatarpanokta vata prakopa and we need to give strength, then this is a better choice to use. क्षीरबलातैलम् बलामूलात् पञ्चफलं क्षीरपिष्टं च योजयेत् क्षीरे चतुर्गुणे तैलप्रस्थं मृद्वग्निना पचेत् पाने बस्ते तथा बस्तौ तथाभ्यङ्गे नस्य कर्मणि शस्यते एतत् क्षीरबलातैलं वाताशीति विनाशम्. So it is only bala and kshira. So bala mulat panchapalam kshira pishtam kshire chaturgune taila prastham kevalam kshiram drava dravyarthe yojaniya. So only 4 times milk of taila prastha pana nas basti abhyanga nasya in all these to be used ashiti vata vinasham. So this is for 80 kinds of vata doshas, nanatmata vata rogas, etc. So this Kshiravala is also available in Avarti form. I have used it many times, and this is in Vatarakta Adhikara Avarti form. And as I said, for Indriya, this is a better choice. There is separate Avartana Taila. So in all these Ashiti Vata we have, this is good. Kshiravana Avartana Tailam. बलाकषाय कल्काभ्यां तैलं क्षीरसमं पचेत् सहस्रपाकं तद् वाताश्रित् वातरोग रसायनं मुख्यतमम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रसादनम् जीवनं ब्रूहणं स्वर्यं शुक्राश्रित दोषनाशनम् उपिते मार्ग संशोधान मेधसो वा कफस्य च अतिवृद्धानिले शस्तं नादौ स्नेहन ब्रूहणम् कृत्वा तत्राढ्यवातोक्तं वातशोणितन्ततः भेषजं स्नेहनं कुर्याद् यच्चरक्तप्रसादनं प्राणादिकोपे युगपत् यथोद्दिष्टं यथामयम् यथा सन्नं च भैषज्यं विकल्प्यं स्याद् यथोल्बणम् नीते निरामतां सामे स्वेदलङ्घनपाशनैः आलेपसेकाद्यैः कुर्यात् केवलवातनु. So for the first time, there has been some mention about when to use, how to use, etc., in this Sahasra Yoga. So this is a welcome step, really. So Balakashaya Kalkabhyam Tailam Kshira Samam Pachet. So Kshira is to be taken in equal quantity of the milk with Balakalka and Balakashaya. So it may be taken with Balakashaya as such. I don't know. Ideally, Tailang Kshira Samam. So milk is taken to be taken equal quantity of the taila, and Balakashaya Kalkabhyam Kshirasamam Tailam. This can also be one of the Anvayas. Balakashaya Kalkabhyam should be one word, and in that scenario, the milk will be equal quantity of Balakashaya and Kalka. Anyway, we'll turn towards that during the translation. Sahasra Shatapakam Tat Vatasri Vatanuparo. So this is Sahasrapaka and Shatapaka. As I mentioned earlier, only Abhrak Bhasma has the capacity to bear 1,000 putas, and there can be potentially very good energy into it. Now, in this COVID situation, also when the Shwasa is one of the major symptoms, and insufficiency of oxygen, this is one of the major symptoms. The Abhraka Bhasma Sahasraputi is a choice to be used. So, like that, this also has the capacity to bear the heat of Shatapaka or Sahasrapaka, and so that is why it is very important. And it's not only Vata Roga like Ashiti Vata Vikar, etc. previously, but Vata Rakta is also there. Rasayanam Mukhyatamam Indriyanam Prasadanam. This is Mukhyatam Rasayana and Indriya Prasadana. That is why I started using it in Indriyagata Vikruti. In paralysis or in brain tumors, whenever there are Indriyagata Vikrutis, the diagnosis is done by conventional medicine as a tumor in brain, and then where can we buy good Sahasraputti Aparakasva? Difficult to say. We try to find out a reliable source as such. Previously, if this Ayurved Seva Sanganashi or Varsudarshan Ayurved Pharmacy, we were using from them, and now there might be many pharmaceuticals producing this, and who is reliable and has really made it like that. This is more important. So Baidyanath se वापरतो, that is fine. खडीवाले वैद्यांचे पण मिळते. Okay. So खडीवाले should be good, but only it's costly generally, very costly. So might be we have to think about this. But in Indriya Prasada, when there are Indriyagata Vikrutis for any reason, then this is a choice of drug. Now, Jivanam, Brohanam, Swaryam, Shukrasruk Doshanasha. So it is Jivana, Brohana, Swarya, and Shukra Rakta, so Shukra and Asruk, maybe Artava Doshanashana. So this is again, really no one gives 1,000 putas actually. Javasanga Nashik was producing 500 putas as well. I'm not sure whether it is available now. And it requires bare minimum 7 years to produce Sahasraputya breakfast. So better choice is to do it by ourselves. Let it be a long-term process, but when then we are confirmed about the quality. Otherwise, you go for Sudarshan, Anantananda, etc. And if there are stocks which are previously prepared, that's a good choice to do. And it is worthwhile finding old pharmacies which have stopped their business or have reduced their business or something like that. Surprisingly, I was in Nagar and I could see Afali shop. So Afali was the pharmacy being run by Ganesh Shastri. So I just inquired and they have any old medicines as such. To my surprise, they said we were trying to get them disposed of for many years. They were not getting disposed. And our chartered accountant, was already scolding us that you have to write them off or something like that. And we threw it last year. So many Rasakalpas which don't have any expiry as such, they had thrown it. So this is really a misfortune for me. So do keep a watch on this. And if you find a chance to get medicines from these people, that is very good. Or if there is a good Vaidya and there is no practitioner further in next generation, and he has prepared a lot of medicines or something like that, then it's better to buy medicines at whatever cost. If the person is honest, then we are very much lucky to get such medicines. In Mirrors, I purchased few medicine from such a Vaidya. And Hardikar Shastri has also prepared a lot of medicine. Now his granddaughter has done BMS and he just passed away. But I don't know how far she is going to use and other things, etc. कालेरावी ही फार्मसी पण जुनी आहे खूप त्याचे अभ्रक सहस्रकृती वापरता येईल सो दॅट इज फाईन so those were really honest people and the cost at that time when we calculate in today's cost is negligible even they ask for 10 times 20 times even then that is not a cost at all something like that so one has to look for this is another important aspect and Rasashala once disposed of all Savarishtas. They wanted to clear the stock. So I purchased some Asavarishtas from there at a very negligible cost. So this is also fine. If you are getting Asavarishtas like this, then you can store it. That is fine. Gurukul Kangada. I'm not aware. I have heard this name, but whether they have this pharmacy and these kinds of medicines, etc. And we may try to search which medicines are not commonly used and the stock is there for many years that have remained and purchase that. So we may try to find out a particular condition to use that, and that should be fine. Shende sir used Panchasutra in Tarakan Hospital for kapha. Actually, Panchasutra is a very great medicine. But it was lying for many, many years. Nobody was using it. And then he started using it with good results. But anyway, Panchasut is a different issue, and that might be used only in particular cases. But Abrak Bhasma, maybe Suvarnamakshik Bhasma, maybe other Bhasmas or something like that. If you have a chance to get from any pharmacy, old pharmacy, do purchase them. That or any Vaidya who doesn't have next generation who is practicing, then you try to purchase medicines from them. The Balendra Prakash was very fortunate to have medicines from made by his father. Lot of medicines he got. So he was really fortunate to do that. Unfortunately, his father died when he was in second year. But still, whatever has been left by father is really great. So Jivanam Bruhanam. Jivana is again a karma on Rakta Dhatu, Bruhana Mausameda Dhatu, and Shukrasud Doshanasana, and Shukra and Artava. So this is a good choice even in cancer. Only thing is this is to be used in Niramavastha. So initially, Kupite Marga Samshodhan Medasova Kopasthecha. So due to Meda or Kapha, if there is Margavarodha, Ativruddhanile, Shastam Nadav Snehana Bruhana. Then initially Snehana and Bruhan is useful. Krutva tatra adhyavataktam, vatashodaktam tata. So initially one should use the treatment of adhyavata and then vatashodaktam. So in the initial stage of treating the cancer cases in which there is Avrutatva, there is Ama, there is Kapha or something like that, then this is not a choice. But later on, when the Doshabala has been reduced, the condition is Nirama and Snehana Bruhana is expected, then this is a good choice. So anyway, I am thinking of using Shira Guruchi, Ekshek Avarti. Shira Bala, this Ekshek Avarti. And if it is available Sahasravarti, then that is fine. But Ekshek Avarti is definitely. Do you have Kasturi Ambar Gorochana? Not really so. But Ambar is controversial. Gorochana we should be able to get from slaughterhouse. Only thing is we need Indian bulls or Indian cows, not the Jersey cow or something like that. दहा वनस्पतींची भावना देऊन अभ्रकाला कुट दिल्यास ते दशकुटी आहे असा म्हणतात. एक रस वैद्याकडून वैद्याकडून ऐकलंय. एका पुस्तकात पण वाचलंय. May we see the original part about this Srutya, but सहस्त्रभाग त्यांचे वीर्य वाढते, तिचं वीर्याचा अवधी पण वाढतो. This still remains a question. Maybe we have to think about this. And how many days are required for preparing Shatapaki or Sahasrapaki? Even when we are making a paka, it is not Taila or Grita. It should not be completed in one day. It should be Kalka, the Sneha and Dravadratya should remain in the pot for at least one night. And so minimum 2 days. So for 100 Shatapaki, 200 days. 200 days is 7 months approximately. If we do it continuously like that. And for Sahasrapaki, it will be even more, 5 times of 7 months. So 35 months, approximately 3 years. And then there will be some obstacles, etc., etc. So it may not be completed in 3 years. It may require 3.5, 4 years. As compared to Abhrak Bhasma Sahasrapati, which is more troublesome because you have to take it out and then again put Vanaspati Swarasa, then again dry it and again put into the footer or something like that. Does Gorochana has any action on Ojas? It is supposed to have good action. It is Gorochana, the Gutika is available. My goodness. So we may try to think of this Gorochana, the Gutika, if it is available, and try to use it. The Gorochan Mishran was a very common for Gover and Tanjina, this smallpox and measles, and it has good action. But Gorochana to Mangalya, there is a shlok in Bhava Prakash, and we try to see that what are the properties of this Gorochana and such. So what I feel right now is Shatapaki or Sahasrapaki, good for cancer. ABS. बरेच वैद्य 5 भावना देऊन फूट देतात, पण याचा अर्थ 5 फूट झाला असा होत नाही. प्रत्येक वेळ अग्निसंस्कार झाल्याशिवाय भस्मचे कण बारीक होत नाहीत, अग्नीनंतरच सूक्ष्मीकरण होत. So these are shortcuts, and if they are considering these as Sahasrapati after giving only 200 putas, this is also dangerous. So we may have to think about this, and the best thing to do is have our own pharmacy or start preparing medicines by our own. And again, the society concept, which was said, that we form a society and start preparing medicines like this. That will be a better choice to do. But one should put full efforts in that. Sir, what does Gorochan Mishran contain? No, I am not aware. I have heard only Gorochan Mishran, but what are other ingredients in Gorochan Mishran that I am not aware? This might be a Vruddha Vaidya and not regular part or something, but they have to think about this and keep on asking questions to Vruddha Vaidyas about this. So Shukrasruk Doshanashanam, this is again Shukrasruk Doshanashana, this is again a good quality. And Rasayana Mukhyatamam, that is another important aspect. So anyway, I will start using this Kshirabala Avartana fail, 100 Avartana, and ABS is producing that. So that should be fine. And so Ativruddha Nile Shastam Nado Snehana. If it is Margavaradujanya Vata Prakopa into Ama or then initially this is not a choice, but later in Nirama Avastha this is a choice. And Shukrasuk Doshanashana, this is again important aspect. And Rasayana. So even we may consider it for ourselves to protect us from diseases like cancer. Initially, we should also have Nirama Avastha, proper Agni, and then we can go for this. That is quite possible. Yeah, this is available in capsule form, so it is easier to take. I think raw is also available, but even capsule form is available. सहस्रपुटी अभ्रकाची एक सोपी परीक्षा आहे. Yeah, we can give it in milk. And 5 drops generally I am using if it is available in drop form. Otherwise, if it's a capsule, then one may just administer capsule. Anyway, Payal Khandelwal, you just brief me the number in Nashik of this capsule, vegetable capsule, and you can put it on GSVC or you can call me. And Sharavati Kamble, also please call me if you have my number. Gorochan is somewhat Tyaktadravotva Pitta, so Gomaya can be used as substitute for Gomaya having Ranjaka Pitta. Difficult to say. Gomaya is a finished product, and Gorochana is in the process used, particularly the Tektadravata. As what you say, that is fine, but it will have some different effect. Does dose of this taila can we give it by adding in milk? Yes, we can give it. सहस्रपुटी अभ्रक एक सोपी परीक्षा आहे. सुई अभ्रक भस्म मध्ये बुडवून ती पिकलेल्या केळ्यामध्ये टाकावी. भस्म उत्तम असल्यास तो भाग खराब होत नाही. पाक होण्याची प्रक्रिया थांबते. Okay. So this might be a traditional method. But we can try. At least whatever bhasma that we get, Abharat bhasma, whether it is Dashaputi, Shataputi, Sahasraputi, whatever it may be, at least we try to see whether it is them. In Vata Vyadhi used as Rasayana, some patients taking it for years, 10 drops daily. Okay. So generally I am using 5 drops morning and evening, so it comes to 10 drops only. And I will do it. Yeah. Yes. I use Gorochana with Pashana Bheda for Pittashmari, as it has affinity towards Pittashaya and acts as a vehicle for Ashmari Bhedana medicines towards Pittashaya. This is good. Now this is a big problem, particularly gallstones, and conventional medicine advises removal of gallbladder, and that is not a necessity at all. So we may try to use this Pashan Ved with Gorochana, and that you should have access to Gorochana. From where you get Gorochana? Or is this Gorochana Adivati is available that you are using? सहस्रपुटी अभ्रकाबद्दल ऐकलं होतं की त्याचे परमाणू बाटलीत खूप काळपर्यंत तरंगत राहतात. I have not heard about this. But this Sukshmatva, this is one of the important aspects. While writing my essay on Srotas, Abhishanyani Bhojani Stulani Cha Guruni Cha. So I was stuck up here. I was having a concept that Stula is big and Sukshma is small. So when we start eating something, then the big thing becomes small because it is chewed by our teeth and our juices, etc., act on that, etc. So then what is the everything is becoming sukshma after eating? Then what is the propriety of saying sthula? That was my question. And then I understood that Gorochana Vatti acts good. That sthula and sukshma are unchangeable properties, so to say. It depends on the particle size as such. And the particle size of certain dravyas is big and of certain dravyas is small. The big one is called as sthula and the small one is called as sukshma as such. Abrak Bhasma is in between, wherein the original particle size is sukshma, but there is accumulation of many sukshma dravyas together, sukshma particles together. And the process of bhasma, Jataputi, Sahasraputi, etc., for Abrak Bhasma, separate those particles and the original sukshma form is availed. So I was stuck up with two ideas. Why only for Abhraka Bhasma there have been Sahasraputas? So now why not for Suvarna, Loha, etc., Tamra, etc.? And why specifically 1,000 putas? Why not 2,000, 5,000 or something like that? So most probably the answer is it reaches its maximum capacity by 1,000 putas. In Ganesh Shastri's explanation, he has given the explanation that the Abhraka Bhasma becomes more and more sukshma, subtle, and then can act on more sukshma bhavas in the body or something. And particularly Abhraka Bhasma is used for Kasa, Shwasa, etc., or even Pandu, etc. Abrak has highest grade disintegrating property may be used here. So that is also fine. So the sukshmatva, if originally it is there, and if there is accumulation, and that is why it has become sthula, so to say sthula, then this can be broken to its original form. But one which is sthula cannot be broken or something like that. Now, the fat globules which are present in the milk. Initially, we used to have the method of heating milk 3 times a day and collecting the malai or the cream of that milk, curdling it, and then getting butter and later ghee from that butter. Now, the homogenization process was introduced. And in homogenization, the fat globules are broken and they mix up with the milk. Now, once they are broken, and whatever fat that we get from this is having both the kinds of cholesterols, HDL and LDL. And butter has a capacity to increase both cholesterol, LDL and LDL. But when we convert butter into ghee, then it increases HDL but doesn't increase LDL. So the fat globule has something to do with this medodhatu as such. And the concept of blockage in conventional medicine, that the viscosity of the blood and this cholesterol, etc., and then leading to formation of a clot and then obstructing the coronary artery and leading to myocardial infarction. So the whole process may be associated with the Sthulatva and Sukshmatva of this so-called cream and butter and ghee. So when we are deriving cream from the uh, milk without curdling it, it has a different issue, and particularly homogenization is really bad. So pasteurization and homogenization, these are two processes carried for stability of the milk. And सहस्रपुटी सहज शक्य नसेल तर 5x 6x याप्रमाणे करूनही होईल. मर्दन मेकॅनिकल प्लस घर्षण जनित अग्नि परमाणु विलगीकरण साधन जाईल. No, better to get Sahasrabuddhi and then make 6x. I'm doing the same thing. Only thing is from where I have purchased that I don't remember right now. But if we get a reliable source of Sahasrabuddhi Amrit and then convert it into 6x, that is fine. कदाचित इतर भस्माचे सूक्ष्मीकरण लवकर होते पण अभ्रक भस्म लवकर तयार होत नाही. क्षारांचा वापर न करता त्याचे तंत्रिकात आणि बरेच अवघड दिसतं. माझ्याकडे 25 फूट दिलेले अभ्रक आहे पण अजून चंद्रिका काही प्रमाणात आहेच. लवकर सूक्ष्मीकरण होत नाही म्हणून कदाचित सहस्रकुट द्यायला सांगितलेले असावे. दिस इज पॉसिबल. But this might be a big task. We have to march with that task further. The heat carrying capacity of Abrak is the greatest, therefore it was used in irons for ironing clothes earlier. Any pharma prepares Mrugashvrinda, which is reliable source for Bhasma. सहस्र अभ्रक हे शक्य नाही, बाजारातील सर्व बनावट आहे. But there are people who have prepared it. धान्याभ्रक पद्धतीने चंद्रिका लवकर जाते. It's not only the chandrika that is an issue, it's proper preparation of the bhasma that is required. So anyway, I was talking about this Sthula and Sukshma concept, and that's a big concept, really speaking. Then I started thinking which gunas are changeable and which gunas are not changeable. Samskara is possible in which gunas, and accepting this Guru and Laghu, there is no guna that gets changed here. We can add opposite guna dravya, but we cannot make a change, make out about a change in the gunas through samskara. So, in many aspects, that article was very good. I was in second year only that time. I received lot guidance from Kolatkar sir, and it was 200 pages, full-scale pages written, handwritten. And Ayurved Patrika published it. It was 40 pages, completely only my article, Srotas Visheshan. I received first prize for that from this Ayurved Vigyan Mandal, Mumbai, Thakurba. And it was at that time 75 rupees first prize. And this also I couldn't receive. They say positive of funds. So this was a pity at that time. But anyway, that provoked me to write, and I could think a lot about this. I put all my efforts in preparing that article. So it is worthwhile to again read that article, and now I can write it much better than that. What I have written in second year. Now I can elaborate, right? But I would. Ayurved Patrika has made all issues available on net. So you send a query to them. Okay. They have digitalized everything. I don't remember right, right now in which year. But Srotas Visheshanka, you asked, and योगोबद्दल कसा विचार करता येईल? I'm not sure whether this is Yogavahi or not. Abrak Bhasma itself is Yogavahi or not. And secondly, Datar Guruji was very specific about Santarpanokta Marita and Apatarpanokta Marita. So depending upon the kind of effect that we want to have, Abrak Bhasma can be prepared from both Santarpada medicines and Apatarpada medicines. गुरुवादी गुणांचा महामेरू गुरुगुण या विषयावर वेदशास्त्र तेजक न झालं काय असं ते बघता आठवत नाही. No, I don't think so. This should not be Guru Purnima. At least from this our Kolatkar Pratishthan, because I am witness of all Guru Purnimas. I have not missed a single Guru Purnima. So this was not there, at least from Kolatkar Pratishthan. It might be somebody else's Guru Purnima. Please share, sir. I'm not sure when it was, but you can put a query. Maybe Atish Oswal is in Nashik. He can search for it. And Swanand Pandit was the person we contacted. He was the editor. So he might be knowing. Your second year BMS in which year, sir? So 75, 76. That was the year. 74 I joined. That was pre-Ayurved. Then first BMS 75, 76 and 76, 79. 77. That would be the year, second year. During my early days of practice, I had found the batch of Abrak Bhasma of Baidyanath having Chandrika. Patient consumed it and started vomiting. I complained to company but no response. Madil Pharma of Mumbai also had a batch of such Bhasma. Many well-known pharmacies nowadays don't prepare Bhasma and purchase in huge quantities from outside pharmacies in wholesale rate. So this is fine. What we do want to do is yes. संतर्पण आभरकेन वसंत कुसुमाकार अपतर्पण आभरकेन आरोग्यवर्धन. That is good. So what we feel that is a necessity now, and there are good Vaidyas preparing their own medicines, and if we can pre-book orders, Mangesh Thamke is preparing, then Atul Limkar is preparing, Madhav Bide, no? Madhav Bide is preparing medicines like this. So there are many people who are preparing medicines, and if we put orders that I require this, it may take whatever years it may require or something like that. Eknath Kulkarni. So that is also fine. And he will help. There is no doubt about that. So anyway, श्वास कुठार बनवताना टंकण मारीत अभ्रक वापस वापरतात. Yeah. So depending upon the use that is expected, we have to prepare medicines like that. And if we really go on to go for Sahasrapati Abrak, etc., because we are not aware of the shelf life of these Shatapaki, Sahasrapaki, Taila. But for Abrak Basma, there is no obstacle like this, and we can use it after many, many years as well. So better to go for a long-term process for medicines like Abrak Basma, and why only Abrak Basma? Tamra Basma and Naga Basma, etc., should be available in a very good quality. Otherwise, this is trouble for us, for patients, for the society, and for Ayurveda in general. So we have to think about this very seriously. And now this is right time because there are so many Vaidyas, there are so many dedicated people in pharmacy, etc. Even Vivek Sane is also a good. At least 40 putty abragabhasma should be used in practice. So basically, it should be well prepared. Then there is no doubt about that. Otherwise, this is again a big issue. Anyway, कृत्वा तत्राढ्य वातोक्तं वातशोणितिकं तथा भेषजं स्नेहनं कुर्यात् यच्च रक्तप्रसादनं. So स्नेहन भेषज and which is raktaprasadana that should be used as such. प्राणादिकोपे युगपत् यथोद्दिष्टं यथामयं यथासन्नं च वैशिष्ट्यं विकल्प्यं स्याद् यथोल्बणम्. So युगपत् प्राणादिकोपे, when there is युगपत् प्राणादिकोप, यथोद्दिष्टं यथोद्दिष्टं यथामयं, whatever is our objective and as per our disease, यथासन्नं च वैशिष्ट्यं, whatever is easily available or something like that. Vikalpyam syad yatholbanam. So we have to use this, which is having a particular ulbanata or capacity of a particular type. नीते निरामतां सामे स्वेदलंघन पाचनैः रुक्षैः आलेपसेकाद्यैः कुर्यात् केवलवातम्. And when samavata becomes nirama or samadosha, we may say स्वेदलंघन पाचनैः रुक्षैः आलेपसेकाद्यैः, then kuryat kevalavatam. Then we have to use kevalavatam karma, one which is specifying vata dosha, nirama vata dosha, etc. So this is in general the principle of treatment of vata vyadhis. More important aspect over here is the medicine should be useful even for rakta, and this jivana dharma and rakta prasadana, these are very specific in these conditions. And we try to use such medicines. So Vishak Dravyan Vipastata Rogi Padatushtem Chikitsa Nirdishtam Pratekam Tatchaturgunam. So Dravyani or Bheshaja is also one of the important legs of this Padatutushtaya, of the treatment. And we should not neglect this. So as we emphasize on preparation of a good Vaidya through textual knowledge and practical experience as such, we also have to emphasize on the preparation of medicine, and that's the tool, that's the karana or sadhana for the treatment aspect. So we also need to emphasize on this aspect and keep on doing good medicines which will be lasting for a prolonged period. So bhasma or this Rasashastra medicines are very good for that. And their broad spectrum can be used in varieties of diseases. That is one aspect. And secondly, they last long. So that is also very important aspect of this. And we need to emphasize on that. So anyway, this Shatapaki or Sahasrapaki Balate is a good concept to use in Niramavata and even in cancers, as I was saying, that this can be a good choice in Niramavastha. What has happened? Move on next page, I suppose. Rupetala, it should be processed 100 times or 1000 times by taking fresh kalka and Dravad Dravyas every time. Okay. वातरक्त वातरोग रसायन इंद्रिय प्रसादक जीवन रोहण स्वर्य शुक्र दोष असृक दोष कुपित मार्ग शोधक. No, this is strange. Actually, the original text is very specific that this is to be used later or something like that. The only good advantage of this is Agni Samskar, which is quite big. But Balaras and milk and ghee all are rasayana, all are snehana, bruhana. So this may not be useful for that. शतपाकी सहस्त्रपाकी सिद्धघृत पण बनवले जाते का? I don't think so. Why Taila has, and anyway Ghrita gets mixed with that because Kshira is added every time. And if we consider 5% fat, then also from 1 liter of milk we are getting 50 grams of ghee into that. So it keeps on adding every time. So ultimately it turns to be a Ghrita kind of thing. You are preparing it. सर बी क्षीरबला आवर्तन तैल and महाकल्याणकरिता आपण ब्रेन ॲट्रोफी किंवा उत्तर वयातील संस्मृती नाश करिता वापरू शकतो का? We can use. That is possible. So anyway, this is रसायन. श्लिष्ट दोष नाश करण्यासाठी अमृतीकरण करावे. अमृतीकरण नंतर रंग कृष्णवर्ण होतो पण श्लिष्ट दोषांचा नाश होतो. Now Amrutikarana, I have heard about Tamra. I'm not aware about Amrutikarana of others, and Surana is used for this Amrutikarana of Tamra. But whether it is applicable for all Bhasmas, that I'm not aware. Yamaka Kalpana. It becomes Yamaka. Initially it is Taila, and then there is more and more addition of Ghrita. Amrutikaran bhi kele hote. Okay, fine. So with what? Ghrita. Okay, we may discuss the process in detail. What did you do or something? So Amrutikaran is good, there is no doubt, and at least to remove the what you are saying Shlishta doshas, that we have to see what are Shlishta doshas as such, and how they can be removed by Amrutikarana as such. But anyway, we have to be very cautious now about use of rasmas, and people directly go to some lab with your medicines and ask them to analyze and see for these free radicals of Nagarasma, etc., Naga, etc. So we have to be cautious about this anyway. Ketiki Mula Balati Bala Nam. Ketiki Mula Balati Bala Nam. Yad Bahalena Rasena Vipakvam. Tailam Analpa Tushodaka Yuktam Marutam Astikatam Vinihanti. Wow. Is this available? Ketak Kyadi Grupa? Ketiki Mula Bala Ati Bala Nam. Yad Bahalena Rasena Vipakvam. Why Bahala Rasa? Tailam Analpa Tushodaka Yuktam. So, Tushodaka Yukta. This is again something specific. So, may have to think about this. Ketike Mula Bala Atibala Kashaya Eladi Gana Dravya Kalka. Very Eladi Gana. With Kanji. So, Tushodaka they have translated as Kanji. Prepare tel with the word Kalka Sneha and Rava Dravyas taken in specified quantity. Astigata Vata Prakopa. So, if it is available, Ketak Kyadi Taila. I may try to use this in osteosarcoma. These are very dangerous cases. Vaidyaratnam is available. So osteosarcoma, I do have a case right now also. And severe pain and keeps on spreading into the whole body from any bone to any other bone. And I have come across few cases even before. And this is really miserable. This is generally found in teenagers. And very painful condition. So let us see. I will try to use, and the part is rather simple. I don't understand how this Eladi Gana Dravya Kalka, Kyadi Kalka, द्रव्य हिंदीमध्ये काय केलंय बघू ना एलादी आला कुठं അതുപോലെ രസായന പേപ്പർ പറയുന്നത് इसमें या तो कषाय द्रव्यम क्या है एलादी गण के द्रव्यम का कल्क डालने की परंपरा है चिंसाया पत्र पाथे तो ये अलग है so shallaki gugul not really so gugula I am using but not shallaki In diagnosed case of osteomyelitis bone marrow edema case, outcomes, please can you give inputs regarding this concept? Osteomyelitis is at least a better thing to treat, unlike this osteosarcoma as such. But we may have to think of osteomajja pachak that generally we are doing, and maybe bone marrow soup, that is one of the options in Patya Sankalpana. And depending upon again the Avrita Vata or Virupastambhita Vata, we have to treat according to Vata Vyadhi. Shulahara Basti, we are using Basti in this case, but you may contact later with details of the patient, then we may try to see. Also of SNA available as Taila and Kujampu, but of Vaidyaratnam only Kujampu is available. Kujampu is coconut oil, no? Or Yamaka Sneha. Astimajja Bhrita, that is also I have used. Eladigal Vakbata Tirtha. Yes, sure, sir. Kujampu is mixture of oils. Yamaka Sneha. Okay, but two oils, which of the two oils? Whether one is this coconut oil and another is Erinda Sneha and Tila Taila. So Yamaka might be Gurta and Taila as well, or the Vasa, etc. But Gurta and Taila, yeah. There is no mention of this. Ketakimula Balati Bala Nam Bahalena Rasena Vipakvam, Bahalena Rasena Vipakvam. Tailam Analpa Tushodaka Yukta Martha Mastikatam Vinim. So, anyway, Erinda is painkiller. Yeah, Vata Shamakam. So, we may don't say painkiller. वातव्याधीमध्ये गृहण अपेक्षित असल्यास सुगंधित द्रव्य वापरावीतच. फेमस श्लोक सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम. Now this particular श्लोक सुगंधित पुष्टिवर्धनम उर्वारुकमेव वंदनाम यमामृतात् महावित्तिंजयजक. We may have to see the meaning of that. But Sugandhi Dravya is good in Vata Vyadhi, there is no doubt, particularly Astigata Vata. The famous Gandha Taila, name itself suggests that it has Gandha, fragrance in it or something like that. And Parthiva, being Gandha Dravya is Parthiva. So Eladi is appropriate over here. गंधी गुण बहुल पृथ्वी द्रव्य या अस्ति कामितो. एरंड तेल घृत दधी धान्याम्ल असे आहे वैद्यरत्नच्या कुजंपू. घृत दधी and धान्याम्ल. So this called as taila. पृथ्वी पार्थिव भाव असते. Yes, and also तिल तैल पण आहे. Okay. I was thinking coconut oil might be a better choice in this. But anyway, let us say, and we, if you can prepare it by ourselves, that is also fine. But anyway, I will try to use Ketakya in that particular case. She's just 18 years and it's really very painful. There is no doubt about that. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांड निगदितैः शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्। विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः।